Brad and Zach here with Everyday Adventures YouTube channel, and tonight we're building a bushcraft shelter. We're going to be cooking some great food and having an awesome time, and we want you to come along with us. So let's get going. The first thing that we're going to try to get accomplished here is we are going to try to find a spot to put up our bushcraft shelter. Tree's got my bag. I think we found a spot. It'll be right in here. We should be able to build something pretty decent. Are you thirsty?
Are you?
Yeah, give me a water bottle.
They why I'm having to one.
Now it's time we get our shelter put together because it's getting late, and here soon we're gonna run out of daylight.
That's big.
All right, we gotta find 3 more big ones.
Should my daddy be climbing the tree? Like, subscribe if he should, and comment down below if he should.
All right, we should have everything we need. We got, should have enough logs. Plan now is to build a frame, put a roof, put some walls around here, and sleep inside it. What are you eating? Want to show them? Yeah.
I'm going to grab salt for a minute.
Now that I got 3 of those up, I'm just going to start working my way back and putting those logs or the sticks down as I go. Zach said he found an issue on our shelter.
Right here.
Yeah, that's an issue. That means we're gonna have to replace this one. Back up, we gotta swap this out. Now, put all those logs back up here. Alright, we're getting pretty close. We have the top built out, and now Zach's just laying sticks on the top coming across and this way. And here in a bit, we're gonna layer the pine needles. Yeah, you just grab like handfuls like this.
Are we just going to stack?
Yep.
Pine needles?
And then throw them up on top.
Under more.
For the walls, I'm gonna use moving blankets. And the only reason is it's getting pretty late. We're starting to lose daylight here, and I got to get the walls up and all set. So we're gonna set the moving blankets up and then finish up the inside. I'm starting to feel the time pinch right now. This wall here, I can't build up the pine needles high enough, so we're gonna build a low wall. No, not right now.
All right.
I got the wall built up high enough. It's definitely lessons learned on this trip. Come out sooner, because these are not a quick throw it up type thing. So here's the deal. I don't think the shelter's gonna work, and I think I'm gonna have to do something stupid, which is set it back up a different way, and I'll show you why. When you look in here, there's a gap there, there's a gap there, everywhere. It's very breezy. If it was just myself, I would just sleep in it, tough it out, but I have Zach with me, so I gotta think about him too. So we're gonna call it a shelter reset, and we're gonna do it as quick as possible, because again, this is the worst time to do it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Dun.
Good thing is we have firewood. This time, we're just going with a very basic, simple shelter I can get thrown up, and Zach will stay warm in it for tonight, and I'll stay warm in it, and that's the goal. Listen, maybe I did make the wrong call of destroying what I had there, but this is a bit better. I can seal that in, I can seal this up, and we should stay warm. Our tent is set up. We got our stuff in it, and it is time to get a fire going and get Zach some supper. How is it in there, buddy? Is it good?
Yep. Oh,
Okay.
this is making me quiet.
That's okay. Tonight we're doing hamburgers. All right, I'm just gonna put that down on there. Why does the smoke always come my way?
Are they
2 big slices. How is it, Zach?
so yummy?
Okay, good.
Make
I have a serious question for people. Is it just me, or does everybody hate this type of ketchup lid where you have to really squeeze, and then once you do start squeezing, it all comes out at once? I hate this. We ate supper. Zach's in the tent. I'm gonna kind of straighten a few things up, and then I'm also gonna climb in the tent and get ready for bed. No, you gotta move.
Oh. They're up. What?
We're gonna get in here with Zach. All right, buddy. Oh. We're in our tent. You all wound down, Zach? Ready for bed?
Yeah.
Okay. We're just gonna relax a bit, wait till it gets dark, and then go to sleep. Alright guys, it's pretty late. Me and Zach are gonna go to bed. You ready to go to bed, buddy?
I can't even see you.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna turn the lights off and go to bed. We'll see you guys in the morning.
Just woke up and it is pretty cold out, but it looks really good. So I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna get Zach up, and we're gonna get going.
First thing I gotta do is get a fire going so I can get Zach out of the tent. But since he's cold, he'll sit by the fire. Go. All right, made it back to our car. That was a long hike. Thank you again for tuning in to Everyday Adventures, and we really appreciate everybody that watches. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. See you later.